Patty fam. Okay, today we're doing the royal family day back posting. Date night, he won me a prize. Oh, how cute the date night. Let's go. Let's get into it.
Y'all look at my twin. My twin camel.
Oh, shit. I look like a camel.
What's up, y'all? Clarence is about to cover up his Carlitos. He putting on his do-rag. Underneath he has a sheet. So his Carlitos.
What? Carlitos and a sheet. What kind of? That's new to me.
He got his little piece of sheet do-rag under his.
Why gotta be a piece of sheet do-rag? Queen.
Do-rag. So his Carlitos won't come up. Carlitos. A small piece
Stop.
of
No. She did not do the definition. Oh my god.
In the middle of this action figure shaped head.
We are actually both getting ready
This
to
is funny to me, y'all.
go somewhere. We're going to Ty's birthday
y'all
party.
going?
She invited us. And actually, I'm gonna just be honest, I just got back home last night from a flight. And I was pretty tired, so I really didn't think I was gonna go today. But then Clarence came to me, he was like, hey, you want to Ty's party? And I was like, well, if you go. So he's going and I'm going. And
Oh, they going on a date night.
we're just gonna make it a date, right, babe?
I was on a date.
How we gonna date? It's not a date, we can't make it a date? Alright, it's good.
It's a date. It's a date.
It's
Right,
fine.
you want me?
It's fine.
It could be a day. I'm saying it's a party though. I was at a date, you know?
Anywhere
party
you go
date.
is a date. Right?
Yeah.
Back at you. Back at you.
Ain't no back at you.
Hey, but you fine. Alright, y'all, I'm about to.
Y'all, look, she gonna mess around and they not gonna get to the date. They not gonna get to the party.
Is you trying to fuck?
Yeah.
Queen. And then he gonna say, yeah, y'all really not going to the party.
I'm about to get ready, put on my makeup. I'm about to get ready to put on my makeup, y'all. I don't know if you guys want to get ready with me.
Get
You
ready
guys
with me.
probably shouldn't. Okay, I'm gonna do my makeup, then I'll come back. My makeup, right? Clarence is already asleep. Babe, why are you doing that?
What?
Don't fall asleep. Clarence, get up.
Here.
Huh? I heard you snoring.
How you gonna do your hair and go to sleep? Like, where's the party? Y'all be fashionably late.
Okay. So y'all, I finished my makeup. Y'all know I'm
Oh,
gonna
that
makeup.
look cute, Queen. Okay, the brown look.
Period. Now let's get dressed.
Periods. Crocking. You ain't crocking, you ain't rocking.
You sleep. I told y'all.
Oh, she done caught him sleeping. Now, Claire, you know you gotta get your drip right. So you might as well have got ready. I don't know why men do this, y'all.
Your food is here. It is 7:30, babe. We're supposed to leave, and you said I'm not going to sleep. I told y'all.
Claire.
But the food is here.
So
Come on here,
sleepy.
daddy. Go and get dressed.
Claire look like a little kid trying to get up. Uh-oh.
CJ is
Okay,
back
the
home
athlete.
from the pool with Leggy. Leggy,
CJ, the athlete.
you had a good time? Cheese.
He said cheese.
Mommy about to go out. Okay. So y'all gonna have to go to bed. Hey, stop that PDA. What's up, brother?
PDA, stop.
Say hi to the royal family vlog.
Hey, boy.
You know, this is more of a Queen and Clarence vlog today because we're going out. Well, Queen, Clarence, and Patty vlog, actually. Well, sorry, Patty. Look. My. You looking good, bro. You looking good. Let's check out the drip.
Little palm angel.
I gotta interrogate you real quick. Because who was that girl who was massaging her back? He was.
Who was the girl? Patty got a girl, y'all. Comment below.
Massaging some girl's back on his vlog.
Almost so. So.
You need to tell your man to hurry up.
Where is he downstairs?
He's upstairs. He's upstairs trying on 7 different outfits. This is what
Okay, see, that's what I said. He could have been trying on them outfits when she was putting on her dress, on her makeup, and then they would have been gone, y'all. Claire knew. Claire was just sleepy, y'all.
I'm wearing, y'all. I was gonna go like my regular, you know, like my leggings and t-shirt or shorts and t-shirt,
No,
but I decided to.
First of all, comfortable shoes is the move. Second of all that brown matches your makeup, so I feel you. That's cute.
Go a little, you know, pretty today.
That's cute.
But don't worry, y'all. Just in case there's rise, I got some shorts under here. Not gonna be a little.
I remember we used to do that in cheerleading.
Body today.
But tonight, maybe.
Clarence just got ready. Look at the drip. Look at the drip.
All right, y'all. We here super late. We here them.
I knew y'all was gonna be late.
About to give happy birthday.
It should last a long time though. Usually in Atlanta, unless they change to, I don't know. Did they change the curfew in Atlanta? Comment below.
Hey, bud. How you doing? Hi, how are you?
Oh my God, y'all! Look at those. I've never seen that.
She got a real tiger, y'all. See, I'm doing it big. That's crazy. Dang. Wildlife.
In real life. Oh my God.
Black people get rich. You like never know what's going on.
The rest of our gifts, everybody back inside. Everybody back inside.
Yeah, we just sitting here. I guess I'm waiting to see.
Yeah, we're gonna get her to open the rest of her gifts.
Yeah, hold on. Hold on 1 second. Yeah, I'm about to take some pictures, so yeah. Say hi.
The twins.
Look at the zebra. Hi.
Aw, how
He home.
cute.
Oh, he looks so sad. He looks sad. I want to pet it. Now look at my twin. My twin camel.
Wait.
You look like this. I'm gonna ride it.
She's bugging. Birthday party for Queen. Oh yeah, I remember. We was good, chilling.
Queen, don't do the camel.
Oh shit.
Hey, big dog. Hey, let me get a picture with you, big dog.
Yeah, come on.
Goddamn.
Big dog.
Fuck, I knew that was you, man. I appreciate you, homie.
Appreciate you.
You doing your thing, man.
Appreciate.
Oh, Claire getting love on the thugs.
You know they go ahead.
She about to get on this camera right here.
I want a picture with Queen.
Guys, you need to watch the monkey.
Oh yeah, my fault.
Ugly
He
ass.
said the monkey gone.
I want to see a monkey. We really, y'all, Queen really riding the camel. I didn't think she was gonna do it. Queen a daredevil. Oh, now.
Yo, why you get close? Yo, he's dumb close.
Now the zebra happy. Girl, yeah, getting off. Getting off is an issue, especially that skirt. It's gonna ride up. Don't tape it, Claire. Hello. That, no. Right.
Yeah, that's gonna look bad for the both of us.
Does somebody even have
DC
like
was good,
a...
man. Something good. Chilling.
Oh my gosh. What is that, a lemur?
Oh, that's a big ass
Everybody
snake.
got all
Come
the
on, I
animals.
dare you to pet the snake. You gotta pet the snake. Come on, face your fears.
He
You
said
gotta face your
no.
fears. Ooh,
He
you look
said,
at
first of all,
that.
I got a drip.
That's a bird. Ooh. Oh my.
Oh Lord, y'all.
The monkey tripping out. Okay, wait, we got it right here. Oh, yeah.
And birthday girl. Oh, was that that water game? Oh, they playing skee ball? People smoking. security. Where's Beast?
Alright, y'all, the camera's about to die. We about to play some games. Like this little water squirt game. No.
Ready? Set, go!
Nah, I don't think this shit was a club either. First of all, that game is so fun. How she get the whole carnival and animals in her party? That's cool. What, Claire won? Claire won again, y'all. Claire can't never lose. Dang. How you gonna win at that girl party? Don't, hey, look. Don't be calling him out for cheating. Look, if you can't control the game, you're supposed to be in charge of it and tell everybody when to start and stop. Look at Queen's face. Oh, Queen won that? Oh, the birthday girl won that. Y'all, just let her win. It's her birthday. She did all that, got a carnival for y'all, but let her win.
4, 3, 2, go!
What about that game and him getting naked? This is madness. What is going on? Oh, all that balloon wall.
It's because you ain't here.
Oh, hot in here.
Oh, look at them complimenting each other. To you, birthday to you, happy birthday. Let Queen sing, please.
Yeah, you're right, Colin. You're absolutely right, Colin. You're absolutely right.
This city is I think I have a fan. Jared likes it. Yeah. We all like it.
Jared got a girlfriend that drive a Uber. He can go a lot of places in Atlanta.
I love you, Colin.
Thanks.
That's all I can say. I got bad love for you.
Is he drunk or high? Because which one is it?
And I tell you what, if you like that, I got something. Oh yeah, come on.
Ooh, so they gonna drop Queen and Claire off because she got jokes all night. Okay.
Oh my gosh, you would leave the
What you see, Colin? Tell me.
and somebody would open the door. You would have to walk, right? So it would lock every time it hits 30 miles an hour.
Oh wow.
Only one side is broken, so instead of locking, it would just go, nah. Sometimes I would remember to tell people, and sometimes I would forget.
Yeah.
So this one,
What was the noise again, Colin?
Then she gonna do it more intense. Look, y'all, that's gonna be a running joke. Oh my, they can't even breathe, y'all. Can't breathe. They can't breathe.
And 5 stars for sure.
She gonna get a 5-star review just for the net noise.
I can't breathe. Yo, Colleen, one more time for the road. What was the sound?
She heard him. They gonna request her.
So y'all, hold on. So y'all, it's super late. We just got back in from Ty's party. Well, duh, y'all seen it.
Date night.
Ooh, the red light.
Oh, the red.
We got back in from
the red light special.
I just said that already. It was lit. So at first, Clarence, he wanted to go home like kind of as soon as we got there, as soon as I got surrounded, because we didn't have security, which was a bad idea. But my security couldn't come.
Not a bad idea, but it ended up working out.
It ended up working out because they came and got us, and then they let their security.
Oh, that's good.
They let their security, you know, take care of us. So that was fun. It was like a date, right, babe?
It was kind of
You better say it was a date, boy.
Yeah, because in the beginning he was like, how was that a date?
It ended up being a date though. I won you some games.
He won me some a little banana man, and then they had
I got you some funnel cake.
and a cheesesteak. Yeah, I like doing stuff like that. I want to go out, but I'm not gonna lie to y'all. Like, I'm a little, like, y'all see me with my mask, but like, I'm a little scared of COVID. I'm not gonna hold you up, especially this Delta variant. I'm really scared of it, so I want to go out though, but I'm in fear. But yeah, we're probably gonna just go to sleep. Right, babe?
Lying.
Go to sleep.
Y'all, do what y'all gotta do.
And stuff.
You say extra.
And extra stuff.
She been saying it.
We want to sleep now.
Oh yeah, y'all. Y'all remember when we did our room a makeover before?
Yeah.
We're gonna do another makeover for this room. We're getting a whole different bed. Okay,
They gonna do another makeover.
below. Do y'all think we should get like a round circle bed? Or like a bed with like a bed like this but with diamonds in it, all black? Or should we get like a white contemporary looking bed? Comment down below.
I think contemporary. What y'all think?
Y'all think we're gonna bring y'all along this makeover room journey, because y'all know we really haven't furnished this house yet. But I want the lights like how we used to have in the basement.
You want the lights too.
We're gonna have lights, smooth lights. But we're gonna end this vlog out, y'all, and because we're watching
I'm gonna go to sleep.
we're watching Rush Hour. Okay, you don't look tired one bit though.
Right.
Well, I know what he's talking about. He said go to sleep.
You prolonging it, girl. We don't have to be here.
Okay, good night, Royal Family. We love you guys.
Good night,
And-
girl. Y'all have fun.
And we definitely will be back with another video. We don't know when, but we will. Peace out.
Like, comment, subscribe, share if you care. Click the bell and become part of the Noto Squad.
Patty, 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 I've been running steady. 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 Patty, 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 I'll be 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 running steady.
Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Click the bell. Become part of the Noto Squad. Get us 100K, please. We're trying to go up there. Thank you, Petty fans.